Aki's just going to do your blood pressure. We're just going to do some observations.
Oh, it's really bad. It's really bad.
You step in and for about 30 seconds you remember you're in a simulation, but then everything becomes real.
You're forgetting that there's anybody watching you, and it's like you're thinking as a nurse, okay, what do I do? How will I do these things?
You can learn all the skills you like, but you're probably never going to know how you actually feel in a particular situation until you go into it.
I'm going to die.
We're doing everything we can.
It's a process of replicating reality, so it makes it feel real, but it isn't real. And so what you can do with that is you can try things out.
You learn from the mistakes you make without directly impacting a patient that's actually going through that horrible situation.
It means that when our students go into practice, that the care they're going to be giving is safe because they've practiced it here first and they've got it wrong, and then they've learned through debrief how to get it right.
I think it's really important to think from the patient perspective as well. We got to see what they expect, what they want in their care.
A lot of the sims we run are because students have come to us and said, we're experiencing this in practice and we'd like to have a go at it in a safe environment.
We have an ambulance that we use during labs and our practical sessions. It really allows us to get in the zone.
We're not going into an ambulance for the first time with no idea of how anything is placed, because it's quite difficult to learn to work in these confined spaces.
We have anatomage tables and virtual reality sets, so we can really experience learning through a whole host of different environments.
We have state-of-the-art facilities, but we also have a lot of investment in our staff.
I feel really proud of my students when I see them in simulation because they go into it scared and they come out of it buzzing, and you can really see their skills improve.
It's helped me to grow in my confidence, both as a person but also as a clinician.
I've learned that two heads are better than one. You can't figure it out by yourself. You need the help of others.
I found out that I'm not scared to talk to people.
I can do hard things, I can stand up for myself, I can be confident in clinical environments, and I can provide good patient care.